As digital media analysts, we rely heavily on data. But what data exactly are we talking about? Or to put it another way, how do we know which data to use? Now, if you don't know what I even mean by these questions, then this is a great section for you. To us, data is everything. It informs all of our decision-making, we factor data into all of our formulas and equations, and it's ultimately how we draw out insights in order to analyze performance trends and optimize accordingly. As any developer or programmer will tell you, there's a saying that goes, garbage in, garbage out. This means that it doesn't matter how advanced a system or process is, if the data inputs are inaccurate or otherwise flawed, you're going to get a terrible outcome and result. The same applies to PPC. I don't care how great of an optimizer you think you are or how incredible your bidding algorithms are, if you don't know how to pull in the right data before you run those formulas, then your equations and math and science all mean nothing. Garbage in, garbage out. So what do we mean by data selection? And what makes good data versus bad data? To answer that, we need to think a bit more conceptually about the variables impacting our data, such as data relevance, or the recency of data, data confidence, the total volume, seasonality, data aggregation versus segregation, and really any other variable that you think might have influenced the data which you're pulling in. To show how any of the above might come into play when selecting your data, let me ask you a question. When optimizing bids based on historical performance, which time frame should you be looking at? The last 14 days, the last 30 days, the last 60 or 90 days, or perhaps month to date or year to date? We're about to consider these things as we take this conversation over to the whiteboard.